Menteri Rangba Kajala Konrad ke Sangma ula Kyntait ban penlong iakren berkidkot ke Kyntait Foundation GTF halor iakhih ke jongki persya ya kajing keno batmu bantai ya katach yam resort and spa hapo dolon nong Lumpongdeng dak bapen pau bai kijing sngo kya jongki ladapan penban kajing tai kan long hakajaka bamenta ke badan ke Orchid Lake Resort bat on penek pensa ya kajing long jingman jo kamariang bat kijing dan jing ong ukonran ula ong ru ba on sha bantai ye kino kijing tai ki bane junam hakate ke dolon nong light no kijing tai bashipor kijing tai ki bayade bat kamariang bat ki batmu tang na kabenta kijing alang bat ki program ki bakerpang Chief Minister ulapan paru kajing sngo si ba ka GTF kam sngo hun ye kijing kular jong sarkar da kabaong kalong ke basngo si bakim shimla hun namar kata kade kajing shisha jong kakam ha bakali la ka sarkar kan khot iakren ni kinong ki Konrad ula ong kajing sngo kya jongki kalong baya kate ka project Taj Resort on tai ha kate ka jaka ngalakren shai bakam dan kum kata kajing temu kenom dan kino kijing tai ki bane junom ha kate ka jaka kate ka dolon nong kane kumba kade benlong kumta kanika kam kelalong ke basyai kedar kumta ngamyo iya keno jing arta tien halor kani ong ukonran hakabaya day bat kijing keno pen klem ding ukonrat ula pensyong nongrim ya kani syakiriu shimen takaba ong baka company ke badan benta hakani ke project kam dan jingkit kli na kalian ki pulit kila pensyai baki don kiriu shimet ki badan kti om ke company kam dan jinga day ru bat ke project ula ong da kabakin tui ki nong shong shnong bakin sngo scam bakan om dan ka no ka jing penjulor ka dolon nong ula ong Konrad ula kinturu e kinong iakih persya bakin ai ka jinga trilang da ka ba ong bakan ka project ka thmu ban kintiu ya ka kam jungo kai ha ka jala ka Kyntait Foundation kladon ha ka jinga ki sha tangan baklembu por ladu ka khandai trik yayong bandawa ban weng no ya kate ka project na ka dolon nong Lumpongdeng da ka bakdo bakan kata jor ya ka mariang bat ya ki jingdon jing ha ka ni ka jaka na kaliang chairman ka foundation uba H ban siudor nonglang ularai ban peteng ya ka jinga ki tat hadu baka sarkar kan ya ka jingkular da ka jing tho ban pendu no ya ka ni ka project
Yes, in fact, it's quite unfortunate that they are not satisfied with it because that is the fact of the matter. The fact, as I said, I repeat, the construction is going to take place in the current location where the Orchid Parapani is there. That is where the actual construction of the hotel will take place. It's a lease that has been given to the concerned agency from the government side. So it's a long-term lease. And the island is going to be maintained. Its ecosystem is going to be maintained. Its environment is going to be maintained. And it is going to be a kind of a unique experience for the tourist to be able to go and experience the island. So that's really what the purpose is. As I mentioned, yes, there could be, like before, there were certain temporary infrastructures. Some small huts were created earlier with bamboo and natural stuff. That's the kind of stuff in case tomorrow some event needs to be organized there to give it that special moment. So temporary structures which are mostly going to be natural based without impacting the environment there is going to be done. We have made that clear in our agreement also, and we have communicated again to the concerned companies who are going to be involved in this project that no permanent construction will be allowed in the island. So I think the matter is quite clear. There is no need for any confusion, and the concerned people who are concerned about this particular aspect, they can be rest assured that no such construction will take place, and we urge them that they should cooperate and they should work. This is for the larger development of tourism in the state. Their concerns have been addressed. Their concerns, in fact, were already addressed. From day one, we've made it very clear that there will not be any construction there. And therefore, there was no issue actually from day one. Even now, there is no issue. So there is no need for any kind of protest in the way they are putting it up right now. So we have made it clear that there will be no construction, and we have made it clear from day one, and we still stick to it. There's no, I mean, it's very simple. Their concern was that the entire hotel is going to be made out there. Their concern was that a new building will be constructed. Their concern was that entire trees will be cut and a complete area will be destroyed and buildings will be made. I've made it clear that there is no such intention. There's no building that's going to be constructed there. The island will remain as it is. So the matter is quite clear, so I don't see any confusion in that.
But
Thank
trees
you.
are felling, sir.
No, trees we have clearly mentioned. It is police has clarified that there was individuals who were involved in it. There's not the company was not involved at all. The companies have not even started the work. So there were certain individuals. The police has filed a report. They've given a report to us that there were certain individuals who were there who were involved in that tree felling. It is not the company. It has nothing to do with the project. So it's very, very clear. And therefore, the citizens, the people and the concerned individuals should be rest assured that there is no question of damaging the island and there is no question of any construction out there.